Hey guys, Cody here. In front of me, I got the Eastwood and Eastwood Elite Welders. We're gonna go through them and decide which is right for your shop. Our MIG 135 and MIG 175 are the perfect entry-level MIG welders. These machines can weld up to 3/16 and 5/16 steel and are both spool gun capable. The MIG 175 even comes with the spool gun, so you can weld aluminum right away. These machines are perfect for automotive restoration. This MIG 135 will be perfect for floor pans, say putting on a new door skin, or any general patch panel. You can also get into some light framework. Now, if you're looking to get into some heavier metal fab, the MIG 175 is going to be the machine for you. Being able to weld up to 5/16 steel, it's going to allow you to do things like put tabs on an axle, do some heavy-duty frame repair, or any 4x4 and off-road repair. This is going to be the machine you want. This MIG 135 and MIG 175 are perfect machines if you're looking to get into welding. Now, if you're looking for some additional features, I really recommend stepping up to our Eastwood Elite machines. The MP140i and MP200i are both multi-process inverter welders. This means you can MIG weld, scratch start TIG weld, and stick weld with each of these single units. The MP140i is a 120 volt machine, and the MP200i is a dual voltage machine. That means it'll run on both a 240 volt or a 120 volt outlet. Both these machines utilize Berger Technology. That means you can run them off a generator and take them anywhere in the field. Some additional features that you're going to find on the Eastwood Elite machines that you aren't going to find on the Eastwood MIG 135 and MIG 175 are things like these high-end Traffic torches, the LCD displays that'll show what your weld setting is, or the Spot Timer that's going to give you a quick, repeatable spot weld. Both these Eastwood Elite machines use heavy-duty metal drive motors, and they come with everything you need right out of the box to get going. These Eastwood Elite machines are built with the highest quality components and undergo some of the most strenuous testing. When you buy an Eastwood Elite machine, you know you're getting something that you can beat on and get the job done. Now, all of these machines are backed by our no questions asked 3-year warranty and excellent technical support. If you have a problem or a question, just give us a call and we'll get you taken care of. For more information on both the Eastwood and Eastwood Elite welders, visit eastwood.com.